How to recover your Coursera account. First, you want to open the Coursera application, and here you want to allow all the notification access and whatever access the application is asking. After that, you want to click on your profile over here. Simply tap on your profile, simply tap on settings if you're logged in into your account. Also by logging out first, it says I need to unlink my Google account first, so I'm gonna do that. Unlink Google account and click on unlink. Here it will ask for a password. I'm just gonna simply create a password over here. I'm just gonna make a new password over here and click on continue. Tap on OK, and you want to click on delete account over here. I'm just gonna delete my account over here, and you'll see a page which will look something like this. Here you want to tap in login with email, and if you have forgotten your account, you can simply tap on forgot password over here. Here it will ask for your mail, and by simply typing out your mail over here, you want to tap on continue, and you'll be sent and linked on your email for your recovery password. By simply tapping on that link, you'll be able to recover your Coursera password and log in into your account again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.